Hello students, good morning. Hopefully you are very well. In my last class, you have realized, you have come to know about how to write an event report. Methods, processes are supplied by me for your understanding to write an event report for your school magazine or local periodicals. Okay, most probably you have understood how to write an event report. Today I will give you a sample of an event report. Okay, so today our topic is Independence Day, the Independence Day of India. Your school event, one of the most vital or most important events of the school is Independence Day. Full question will come in this way. Write a report for your school magazine in 150 words about how you have celebrated the Independence Day of your country in your school this year. Okay, I am repeating. Question will come in this way. Write a report for your school magazine in 150 words about how you have observed or celebrated the Independence Day of your country in your school this year. Clear? Now, as for the rules, as for the methods which I supplied you in my previous class, following those rules, following those points, we will write down the answer of this question. So first our duty is to prepare a rectangular type box covering the full page with your scale. Okay, in the heading box you will write celebration of the Independence Day at ABC High School. Heading will go in this way. Celebration of the Independence Day at ABC High School. Or you can write the heading in this way. ABC High School observed or celebrated the Independence Day. Okay. So the starting, I told you the first structure, the first sentence will cover up the name of the occasion, date and time. So first sentence will go in this way. On the last 15th of August, one day, Friday or Saturday, the 74th Independence Day of India was celebrated or was observed at ABC High School through several programs or with great dignity and reverence. Initial sentence complete. I am repeating. On the last 15th of August, Friday, the 74th Independence Day of India was celebrated or was observed at ABC High School through several programs, or you can write with great dignity and reverence. First point cover up, first sentence complete. Second point I told you what? About the organizing body and purpose of the event. So your second sentence will go in this way. The ceremony was organized by the cultural committee of the school. The ceremony was organized by the cultural committee of the school to observe, to celebrate the great red letter day of Indian history. Clear? As for the next point, step-by-step explanation of the programs. On that day, at 7:03 p.m. 7:30 p.m. AM. 7:30 a.m. All the students of the school wearing proper uniform and all the teachers of the school were present in the school compound to join or to participate in the ceremony. Clear? The ceremony was opened or started or inaugurated through a street rally. That is, in our mother tongue we say Probhat Feri. Within bracket you can write also Probhat Feri. So the ceremony was started with a Probhat Feri or street rally in participation with all the students and teachers of the school. So the sentence will go in this way. A street rally or Probhat Feri was taken out from the school as the initial program of the ceremony or as the first program of the ceremony to cover up all the local roads of the area. Okay. The rally came back to school at 9 p.m. After that, the national flag was hoisted in the school lawn by the head teacher of the school, Mr. Nurul Islam Sapoj. Flowery tribute was offered or was paid to the national flag and the brave martyrs of the Indian history by the teachers and many of the students. The environment or the atmosphere was most encouraging, most exciting in the air of loud-voiced Bande Mataram and Jai Hind, the national salutation. Okay. In this way, the first page of the ceremony was completed. So you will write here after a tiffin break. Suppose at 10:30 a.m. After a short tiffin break, suppose at 10:30 a.m. the second phase of the ceremony was started in the school hall or auditorium. First para complete. You will always try to make your report divided into two divisions. First phase and second phase. It will give you better marks. The ceremony will be divided into two phases, first phase and second phase. First phase complete means one para complete. Second para will cover up the second phase of the ceremony. It will give you good marks. Okay? So second para will be started in this way. The indoor programs were started at 11:30 a.m. in the school auditorium. Full stop. Next sentence. There was an august presence of a dignified figure as the special guest of the ceremony. Who was Mr. Suppose one name, Pradeep Roy, the honorable BDO of the local block office. Okay. The ceremony of the indoor programs was started through the opening song sung by a girl student of class 11. Thereafter, one by one, other vital programs of the ceremony like patriotic songs, recitations, dances, speeches, play acting, etc. were held one by one. Clear? Now, the phase of valuable speeches. A precious speech, an excellent speech over the significance of the great red letter day was delivered by the head teacher of the school for the students. An excellent speech about the struggling movement of India and the duties of the students to preserve, to protect the national integration today was delivered by the special guest Mr. Roy for the students. In this way the page of the speech will be covered up. Last program. Last of all, the famous historical playlet Netaji, written by Girish Ghosh, was acted on the stage or was performed on the stage by the students of class 9. Concluding sentence. The ceremony ended with the national anthem Jana Gana, sung by all. You can write the sentence in this way. The ceremony came to an end with the national song Jana Gana. Program complete, report complete. Nothing more you will write, no personal comment. On the right side, one dash, by, one hyphen, reporter's identity, your full name, class, section, roll number. Box line close on the 4 sides. In this way you have to write event report. One sample I have given, I have discussed. On your mobile phone screen you will get the page also. I have written with my own hand, and the sample copy of this report will be sent by me for you. Hopefully you will understand and you will try to write other reports in this way by yourself. In my next class I will also discuss about a new report. Okay, today the event report over the celebration of Independence Day of India in the school is completed. Today up to here. Okay, thank you much.